In today's video, I'm going to teach you unmute a channel. If you've muted a Slack channel to cut down on noise and now you're missing important updates, unmuting is quick and restores the channel to your regular notification flow. You'll know a channel is muted because it appears slightly dimmed in the sidebar, and new messages there won't nudge you. I'll walk you through two simple ways to bring it back to life, starting from the sidebar and then from within the channel's settings. First, let's unmute directly from the sidebar. Open Slack so you can see your workspace and the list of channels on the left. Look for the channel that's muted. Again, it will look a bit faded compared to the others. When you've found it, right-click the channel name to open a small menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click does the same thing. From that menu, click Unmute Channel. That's it. The channel name should no longer look dimmed, and new messages will show up like normal based on your notification preferences. This approach is great when you know exactly which channel you want to restore, and you want to do it in one step without opening the channel first. Now let's unmute from the channel's settings. Start by opening the muted channel so you're looking at its conversation. At the top of the window, click the channel name. This opens the channel details panel where you can control things specific to that channel. Navigate to the notifications tab. This is where Slack lets you tailor how chat activity reaches you for this channel. Click Unmute Channel. Once you do, the channel's notifications go back to your standard behavior, and the dimmed appearance in the sidebar will disappear. This method is useful if you're already reading the channel and want to change the setting in context, or if you like to confirm you're adjusting the correct place in Slack. After unmuting using either method, you should start seeing activity from that channel as you normally would. If you rely on visual cues, keep an eye on the sidebar. The channel will look like the rest again. If you prefer sound or badge alerts, those return as well according to your existing preferences. Remember, muting and unmuting only affects that one channel, so you can fine-tune your workspace without overwhelming your notifications. That's all it takes to unmute a channel in Slack using either the sidebar shortcut or the channel's own settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more responsive Slack experience.